This is the Yo-Yo Intermittent Recovery Test, Level 1. The test begins at speed level 5. You have 14.5 seconds to run back and forth between the markers, so start slowly. The aim of the Yo-Yo Intermittent Recovery Test is to run as many times as possible back and forth between the markers. It is important that you come to a complete stop at the start marker prior to the next signal. The running speed is rather low in the beginning, but increases rapidly as the test progresses. The first time that you are unable to perform the back and forth run within the given time frame, you will receive a warning. The next time it occurs, the test is over.